need one drum fill to sound cool on drums. I've said it. One fill. And it is this. Not convinced? Still not convinced? Okay, got you, cool, amazing. What I just played there are known as Bonham Triplets. You've probably heard me talking about them a fair amount, but I'm here to talk about them again because they're amazing. I personally play them right-left kick. Some people play them left-right kick. And they get mad when I play them right-left kick. But I leave it to you. I personally play them right-left kicked. Makes my life easier. And what we're going to do is stick that between floor tom, high tom, and kick drum. So we get right, left, kick, triplet, triplet, triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I suggest you stick 4 in a row and you count on each right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. The key to making these sound extra awesome isn't just speed, it's how consistently you play them. So make sure everything is even dynamically, hand to hand. And as you speed up, another common issue is that your bass drum will want to catch up with your right hand, so you get something like this. Like that, sounds a bit pants, you don't want that. So if you strip back the left hand, you want to listen for a shuffle pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The tighter you can get that, the faster you can get that and stay in time, the faster your Bonham Triplets will be overall. Now, once you have it between 2 toms, that's when you can start to move around the kit. My personal favorite combination is the crossover combination, which goes like this. What did I just do? I went right, left kick, whole way round, snare, high, kick, floor, high, kick, cross it over, high, floor, kick, cross it back. Floor, high, kick, all right, left. If you're not playing right, left, then something is going horribly wrong. Once more, with feeling. Still pretty rad. I'm going to keep playing it. Now the key, moving surface to surface, is to bear in mind, again, dynamics hand to hand. You don't want to make them all of a sudden uneven, well, unless you want to. Something like that, but make that creative decision later down the line. For now, stick to even notes. So there you have it. The coolest drum fill, the only drum fill you ever need. Ah, never gets old. It's so cool. I love it. That was for me.